What is up, guys? So today I'm going to be installing some LED fog lights on the BRZ. Pretty straightforward process. Also going to be pretty much the same deal as if one of your regular bulbs burned out and you were just replacing it with a regular bulb. So let's hop into it. So first things first, as you can tell, I have my wheel off. If you are running stock tires, stock suspension, you aren't going to have to do this. You're just going to have to turn the wheel inward. But because I have a 9.5 inch wide wheel and coilovers, I am not able to just do it that way. I need to pull everything off. After that, there are 3 little guys right here that you're going to need to pop out, and one up here at the side marker that you're going to need to pop out. And then, as you can see, you can move this to the side, and your fog light is going to be this guy right here. So I'm just going to unplug that, pull it out, and replace it with these guys. Alright guys, so as you can see, got the old fog light out. It's pretty easy to get out, honestly. Didn't take too much effort, and you can tell how much less beefy this is compared to those new ones. So let's get the new ones in. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you a trick that really helped me get this fog light in. Obviously this is the old one because I just put the new one in. But when you're putting them in, it helps a lot if you have your hands right up against these 2 guys. And the reason for that is when it starts to push against it, the whole thing flexes and the tabs move, which makes it really hard to get it lined up. So to stop it from moving, just have your fingers on the back of it like that, and that helped a ton. All right, guys, so as you can see, new fog lights are in and working. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. That is how to install fog lights on a Subaru BRZ. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. We'll try to answer them. And yeah, if you like the video, like, subscribe, and we'll be putting out more.